Namaste, welcome back to Filmy Bites with UV, a show where we talk about some wonderful filmmakers, review and rate their work. Now before we start our show, I want you to hit that subscribe and the bell icon so that you can get all our updates as we post them. With that note, without any further ado, let's get right into the show. Guys, this is going to be a very special episode for us as this is the last episode that we are going to broadcast in this series. So the very first movie that we are going to review in this episode is Tappu. Tappu is a Tamil experimental social questioning short film. With a screen time of 11 minutes 17 seconds, the film is hosted on Semma Gepte Studios YouTube channel. The film basically starts with these two YouTubers who are trying to come up with a new idea for their YouTube channel to increase the views of their YouTube channel. After a few different ideas, they come up with this conclusion that they are going to interview this lady who is a prostitute. When they start interviewing this woman, they discover a surprising new story. Now, what is the story? Who is this woman? Or what are the questions that she has for our society is the core of the story. Now moving on to the technical part. The film's story and direction is done by Senthil Venkatesan. The film sure has a great point and very deep questions that will trigger the audience. However, I was not really convinced with the ending given to this movie. The film talks about this person who is converted into a prostitute because of the ugliness or the acceptance of mistakes of a higher cadre people in the society. That might be emotionally correct, but then morally asking, even if there is a set of people or set of society that is accepting someone else's mistake, but then that might not be your answer for choosing a path which you and I think are wrong. There are a lot of other options open for this person, but then why did she become a prostitute is a most commonly asked question. But then that is also a prospect that we can look at. I sincerely appreciate the way this subject is handled by the filmmaker, but I'm sure he could have given a much better ending to this film. Now moving on to camera, cinematography is done by Mr. Ajay, which is decent. We can see some very nice shots given by Ajay. I see the lighting and the studio setup was really remarkable. But at some point of time, I see a lot of blurriness happening in the screen, which eventually was corrected, but then the damage really did happen when this blurriness happened in those emotional scenes that were delivered in the studio setup. That might be a serious damage for the film. Moving on to editing. Editing and DI is done by Mr. Murali Shiva, which is good. Some very nice cuts can be seen, but I personally think that Dip to Black is the worst choice for a movie that has such a great intensity that is going on. Color was not properly balanced. The chroma shots which they have used in the studio setup was not really that uniform. Sometimes I can see that within the scene happening, there was this disturbance happening in the chroma key, and that really resulted in a very unfinished short film. If only they could have handled this, the film would have looked more professional and appealing to watch. Long story short, this is a very nice take on showcasing the most ugliest part of our society and its outlook. We can also see the struggle of a very unusual personality in our selfish society. But I personally think that filmmakers should have come up with much in-depth study of the subject, and a better ending would have helped this movie to reach more audience. Appreciating the whole team who have given 100% for this movie, and expecting a lot more powerful movies like this to be reviewed in our show. Here at Filmy Bites with UV, I rate this film a 3-star in our show. All the best. The next movie on our review list is Sarangapani. With a screen time of 18 minutes 10 seconds, the film is a comic detective Telugu short film hosted on KCW YouTube channel. The film basically is about this detective who daydreams that he will solve most complicated, most big cases with his detection. And one day, one of his friends, who is a police officer, comes to meet him and accidentally tells him about this case where a teenager commits suicide. After reading the case files, Sarangapani immediately says that this is not a suicide, it is a murder. And with some clues, common points, and logics, Sarangapani finds out who is the murderer. Now, what are these clues? How did Sarangapani solve this case? Is a very comic and interesting visual to be watched. Now let's look at the technicality of the film. The film's story, screenplay, dialogues, direction are done by Sidhu Varma. The film really is a very nice comic visual to watch. But then if you're talking about the intelligence and the logic of the film, it can be a disappointment for you. There are these very basic logics that are ignored just because they wanted to showcase Sarangapani, an intelligent detective. However, if you forget the logic, this is a great entertainer. We can see the film is greatly inspired by films like Chantabhai or Agent Sai Surya Atreya. But adopting the film flavor, the makers retained the originality of the film. That is the best part about this film. Now moving on to the camera, DOP Vinay Tej gave very nice looks for this movie. Some very nice visuals can be seen. However, I observed that as the movie progresses, the quality of the film or the visual was exponentially decreasing. I personally think that they should have worked a bit more on the angles of the film. A bit more close-ups could have helped this movie to reach to the next level. At the end of the day, whatever they did was very decent. Moving on to the editing of the film. It is very unfortunate I could not find out who is the editor of the film, but then the editor did a very nice job. Some very nice cuts and transactions can be seen, but when it comes to the color, I think they could have implemented much better colors into the movie. If only they could have utilized some better colors, I think that would have enhanced the look and feel of this film. To conclude, this is a great entertainer. As this is the beginning of the story, I still think that the team are going to come up with some more funny and very interesting cases to be solved in this series. I personally suggest makers to work a bit more on logic and keep it as realistic as possible. That will really increase the flavor of detective movie. Wishing the whole team all the best and waiting to see Sarangapani's next adventure to be reviewed in our show here at Filmy Bites with UV. I rate this film 3.5 out of 5. All the best. Now guys, that brings us to the last movie of this episode and this series. And the very last movie that we are going to review in this series is The Pet. The Pet is an English sci-fi horror flavored experimental short film with a screen time of 12 minutes 45 seconds. The film is hosted on Medesta Studio YouTube channel. The film basically is a very deep thought and well experimented film. The concept of the film is so unique and complex that most of the audience, I doubt, may not be connected to this movie because of its complexity. One who can connect to this movie will really enjoy this movie to the core. The film basically starts with this person who is running in woods and is captured. On the other hand, we see the same person is in a press conference talking about his plans. He is talking about a great idea that he is going to implement. Now I cannot say much about the story, but then I can say what you can expect from this movie. The film is about this great scientist, and it also showcases the mindsets of we human when it comes to us, how great judges we become, and if the trouble is faced by us, how great lawyers we become. The film really has a deep thought and is a mix of philosophy and psychology of human beings. Now, moving on to the technical part of the film is totally handled by almost one person. That is because the film is written, directed, edited, VFX, and sound design are handled by Mr. Madhusya Guha Roy. The person has a great understanding of the thoughts and a great foresee about the subject that he is shooting. But then, I personally think that complexity of this subject may disconnect audience from the core of this movie. Hence, I think that he should keep his screenplay much simple if possible. But then, he did a wonderful job, and the level of VFX and editing is remarkable. Nothing like any other movie I have seen in the genre of short films before. Moving on to camera, cinematography of the film is done by Milan Day, who did a great job. I'm sure most of the film is shot on a green screen or chroma key, but then I totally understand how hard it is to shoot an empty screen compared to shooting it in a live location. But the task is well handled and perfectly executed. To summarize, this is a mind-bending, deep thought experimental executed perfectly. The film has a great potential, but then due to the complexity of the film, it may not tie so many audience to the core of the film. But then the level of making and the level of visual experience that you are going to experience in this movie will not really disappoint you one bit. If you are wishing to see some very intense drama with very hi-fi execution, this movie must be in your list. Appreciating the whole team and really excited to review this movie. Here at Filmy Bites with UV, I rate this movie a 4 out of 5 in our show. All the best. Now guys, that brings us to the end of this episode and this series. We will be hitting your screens soon with a new series. You can watch all these movies we just reviewed by hitting the links given in the description below. As always, I want you to watch all the movies and write to us what do you think about this movies. And if you are a filmmaker and wants your movie to be reviewed in our show in our next series, all you have to do is get into our description below. Hit one of the social networking sites, write to us you want us to review your movie in our show along with a link and a poster of your film. We are going to add your movie to our review list in next series. You can also get all our updates on WhatsApp by just becoming a member of our WhatsApp group, and the link of our WhatsApp group is given in the description below. With that note guys, till we meet in our next series with some more wonderful filmmakers and their works that we are going to review in our next series, this is me Uday signing off. Namaskar.